Hello, my friends. It is your favorite it is your friend CryptoFace. There's 3 subjects we're going to address. And I always have a hard time deciding on where to start. But we'll start here. Start with ARB. First thing, we're all really thinking, never mind about that. Let's talk about mBot and nothing else. I am very anxious to see who, and by who I mean other YouTubers, come out, put their money where their mouth is, and see how they guide their subscribers and with something that's already pretty much laid out for them. There's a couple people I'd love to see actually for one time show their followers how to actually make something rather than just yapping. And I guess some would argue that I do more yapping than showing how to make crypto and money than the old days of our channel when we were doing all kinds of stuff, program bot, doing all kind of trading and whatnot. Still give you guys BitMEX and Bitcoin future. But what I will say is there are opportunities right now that should be taken advantage of because they're not always there. You know, this is big right here. 2.7% from Kraken to BTUNIX. I wouldn't do a trade under $1,000 with mBot. I would not do a trade for less than 1,000. That's just me. I have my reasons. Now, it is true that I am in a long with Bitcoin that I have been. I kind of stopped. I've been busy, so I stopped scalping. But my trusty line, we are coming up to an approach, and things are lining up. The past, I believe, 2 Mondays have been bullish. As to opposed, it's normal, bearish. And overall, I am bearish on Monday, even though it's October. And guess what? We're at the Forsaken line. The Forsaken line. So, my long that I have at 64, whatever, 64.33, I'll probably exit it by tonight. If it doesn't hit it, and I'll exit it at a flat rate, I don't care. I've been trading like a madman, even it's whatever, right? And like we showed before, I think it was time to go step down. If you want to know the truth is it is most likely that we just played down this triangle, and yeah, we might have a little thing here, a little thing here, but play down this triangle down to the end where we shit. And the Chinese dragon scorches. And there's a lot of, you know, people look at things like Fidelity doing some crypto stuff. If I was Fidelity, just like the Chinese, the last thing they want to do is to pump that shit so you make money. They want to scare you away. So if anything, Fidelity would rather dump the market down to 3,000 or 4,000 over Christmas. You, little Johnny, scolded by your grandfather. And then they're going to make you look like a bitch because you gave up. And then it'll go up sometime next year. If I'm wrong, that's cool. If the spike does come, and there are reasons, you know, when the volume goes down, that's like when things go up. That's when institutional investors and traders, you know, buy in. But Trend is my friend, this purple line. We're at the bitter mark. Plus, it's Sunday going in to Monday. And just like many of you feel like when you go to work on Monday, it sucks. It's been long enough. People are going to be impatient. It's floating here. It's time to see a move. And I believe it's time to see a move down. This is looking at the daily. Now, if we zoom to the hourly, let's take a look at the Ravens. God! I just needed that game for the parlay I had, but it's alright. Didn't come through. It happens. Okay, BitMEX is taking a shit on me right now. You know, I wanted to show you guys the hour chart pattern of the candle, the 2 green candles, 1 red, 2 green. That is appearing on the hour again at a smaller scale than last time. But if you're looking at a pattern on the hour, generally the 6 hour or the 7 hour or the daily overrides that decision. So going in tomorrow, my ticker is bearish. So, yeah. I put everything back in mBot. I thought I'd be able to stop it. We'll see if I'm able to stop it and yank back out yesterday. Many of you, let's talk about what we're really thinking. Where was this pump? Everyone was so bullish. And we did go up to like $7 or something as far as the token price, whatever. Oh, what do I want to say? There's a lot I could say, but when I say things when it comes to how to navigate, specifically with ARB, like it gets blown. When we were talking about back in the day trading, what I call trading with the A-bot, everybody did it. Everybody did it. And then it was kind of asserted to be a harmful thing, right? So people, you know, whatever. But I have been assured that now, if this coin pumps to 10, pumps to 20, pumps to 30, and people enter the A-bot, that there's nothing to worry about. And that's what I've been told. And I am only repeating what I have been told. I do want to... I wish I was motivated right now to show everyone how to set up their mBot and use it, but I want to see. I'm going to let the pawns go first. And it's funny, now that mBot is released, there was obviously a lot of hype behind it. And I want to see some of these people that claim certain things, if they can even do this. I want to see other YouTubers show you guys how to use mBot, mainly for 2 reasons. One is that personal vendetta, I just want to see it. Number 2, the real reasons I just don't feel like doing. I'm not motivated right now, and that's just because I'm doing other stuff in my life. Maybe it's I'm lazy. But just like you guys, I want that. I want the token to pump too. And I know numbers that are, if you just do the math, like there's a lot of money that's not come in yet that may come in. So at the end of the day, just like with everything else, listen to yourself, your gut, be safe, enjoy your life, and don't be a hater. And if you think someone is forcing something that they're saying to you, they are. But it's all good. At the end of the day, at this channel, I just show what I am doing to make gains. My loyalty is to myself. I believe that's probably why people like you, people like David Peterson enjoy speaking with me, because I'm not a yes man. And that's refreshing to someone that has yes men consciously or subconsciously. And for those of you that were on the live stream, we always get it on poker. It's time we need to start sitting at some poker tables and having fun together. And that's all I have to say about that. Joe Flacco let us down today.